Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the HP Player app. Now, if you don't have this app, check on the channel to find videos with multiple methods on how to download this app to your Android TV box, or even a Google TV. As far as the device running Android OS, this will be perfect. So, get the HP app, and when you have it, scroll down to it and click on it to open. So you can navigate with your remote or your mouse. I'm using both for a seamless experience. So go to HP Player and click OK to launch. Now the player is going to open, and when you open, you find these videos right here. These are the videos on your local device. You can navigate on them and choose whatever one you wish to watch, and bam, you have it opened. So clicking on any of these will begin to play them automatically. You could go up to history and toggle that. That will show you the previous videos you just watched. Your folders will show you the categories of videos you have on your local device. So any categories you have on local that contain videos or those type of media, they're going to be categorized under the various headings you have on your internal storage. Aside from that, you can go with the videos. You have all the videos just listed according to date added. So you could see the date, you could see the type of file, and it's just a listing. So looking at the top left, you see this sandwich bar. Click on it to find this option. So you have network stream, video playlist, and settings. I'll bring on the video playlist. This is if you want to create your own categories of your videos. So right from HP Player, you create categories. You create a folder system where you have a set of videos which pertain to a certain topic under one and others under the other. So you just file your videos with the video playlist. Network stream allows you to paste in a streaming link. So if you have a streaming link and you want to watch a video which is hosted on a web server online, get that streaming link and paste here. If you paste it, you have access to watch that video right from the HP Play application. So that is it. If you found this insightful, hit that like button so that you never miss an upload from us. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.